train over there. Well, might as well stop for fuel and figure out what we're going to do for lunch. Hey, how you doing? It's Pat here. I am in Lincoln, New Hampshire. At least I think that's the name of the town. I'm basically at the intersection of I-93 and State Route 112 here to my left, also known as the Kancamagus Highway, if I'm saying that right. If not, correct me down below, or I'll find a local who will correct me later. All right, I just finished lunch here at the Moon Cafe. It's kind of just a sandwich shop and donut shop, coffee, drinks, but needed lunch. So, all right, let's get on the road. This town of Lincoln here is quite the tourist place. I can only imagine what the hotel rooms go for. But if you're coming from the west and you're heading east, this is the beginning of the Kancamagus Highway. I hope I'm saying that right. As we head out of town here, this is moose country. Be on the lookout for moose. There's a sign there leaving town warning you of it. Oh, cool. The sign back there just said I am in the White Mountain National Forest. I was in the Green Mountain area earlier today when I was coming up this route. And it looks like we've got camping here. Yeah, there's a sign. Hancock Campground. Well, evidently road parking's not an issue here. Across a little river. I can't read it on the GPS. But beautiful. Wow, that trailhead's packed. By the way, for once I know what the date is. Today is Tuesday, July 2nd of 2024. That explains all the tourism, right? With the July 4th holiday just coming up here in a couple of days. As you can kind of see by my GPS here, the road gets just a little bit twisty. There's no playing on this road today. That's for darn sure. I'm sure this will blow your mind, but there's trailheads just about everywhere so far. And I've only been on the road just a few miles. So if hiking's your thing, I think you'll like it here. I figured I'd show you this curve. It says dangerous curve back there, 20 miles per hour. And it's a U-turn. Oh, it's not that bad. I mean, maybe if you're pulling a giant fifth wheel, it might be a little bit different. But car, motorcycle, pickup truck, no issue whatsoever. Big pothole on that driveway. About swallowed up that little Chevy. Okay, what we have here is a quick U-turn, just because I'm not going to go down there. The place is crowded, but I wanted to show you the lower falls here, and it is crowded with beachgoers, let's just say. But that is pretty. Yeah, you really can't see that very well when you're coming from the west. Okay, I've only got a few miles of the Kancamagus highway left, and this is going to be a quick and short video showing you a few highlights, so maybe you'll want to come see this yourself. If you like this short video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't, please smash that subscribe button down below. And hey, throw a comment in. I try to answer everybody. Alright, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.